Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure projects with freelancer.com step by step clearly. Start by creating an account on freelancer.com. Visit the website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the necessary information such as your email address and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your newly created account. Navigate to the Post a Project section on the home page. Draft a clear and concise project description. Make sure to include key details such as project goals, budget, and timeline. Select the appropriate category for your project to attract the right freelancers. Set your budget as either a fixed price or hourly rate based on your preferences. Determine the project duration, specifying deadlines for submissions. Add any specific skills required to help filter suitable freelancers. Review your project details carefully for clarity and completeness. When ready, click on the Post Project button to make it live. Wait for freelancers to start bidding on your project. Once bids come in, review freelancer profiles and their past work. Pay attention to ratings, reviews, and portfolios to assess their suitability. Shortlist the top candidates who align with your project needs. Engage in conversation with these freelancers to clarify any uncertainties. Ask relevant questions about their experience and approach to your project. From your shortlist, select the freelancer who meets your criteria. Award the project to the chosen freelancer by clicking the appropriate button. Establish clear communication guidelines to ensure a smooth workflow. Use the milestone payment system to manage project funds securely. Monitor progress regularly and provide feedback during the project. Be open to discussing adjustments based on the freelancer's insights. On project completion, review the work thoroughly for quality. Release payment only when you are satisfied with the outcomes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.